Today we're going to see how to commission Guardian device using Fortress Power app, available for both Android and iOS devices. If you don't have an account, you're going to create an account and then enter your credentials here. If you do already have an account, you just type in your email, your password, and tap sign in. The next step will be to add your Guardian. In this case, this is the first Guardian for this account. We tap the plus sign. And now we're going to connect our phone to the Guardian using Bluetooth. There are multiple devices here, but we're obviously going to use only one of them. There are multiple because this is done in the lab and we have multiple Guardians there. And the next part, after you connect your phone to the Guardian via Bluetooth, is for you to connect the Guardian to the Wi-Fi. We select the Wi-Fi network, in our case Tesla. We type in the password for the network and connect to Wi-Fi. Usually it doesn't take too long. After a few seconds, voila, the internet connection is established. Now, if everything is done correctly, you just enter the name of the site, in our case it's Tesla, and enter the location of the site. And afterwards, you continue to the next step and you should see the batteries to which the Guardian is connected in the same communication chain. If everything is done correctly, this will happen automatically. And yeah, once you confirm that the Guardian shows the correct quantity of batteries and the serial numbers do coincide with your batteries, you just hit submit, and usually it takes under a minute, but it has a timer for up to 5 minutes, which is also okay, but usually less than a minute for sure. You are now essentially commissioning, or you have already commissioned the Guardian. You see the overview of the system, you see the percentage, voltage, and amperage, which is 0 because these batteries are not being charged or discharged. You can also see battery information. So we tap products and we see the information for each battery separately. You can also see fault logs. You just tap the 3 dots up top and select fault logs, and it's going to show you if battery is registering any errors. But yeah, really simple to use, very straightforward process, and see you next time.